is game design document? The first definition. What is game design document? Game design document is a comprehensive document that serves as a guide and reference for development team in the process of creating a game. GDD encompasses all the essential aspects of game design, including concept, gameplay, character, storyline, visual, audio, and other technical aspect. Jadi dokumen ini bertujuan untuk menyatukan visi dan ide-ide dari berbagai anggota tim, seperti desainer, programmer, dan artis, sehingga semua pihak memiliki pemahaman yang sama tentang arah pengembangan game. Next, main element. Game concept. Objective. Introduce and explain the basic concept of the game being development. This slide aims to provide the audience with a clear understanding of the idea and vision behind the game, as well as the key elements that form the foundation of the game design. Element, deskripsikan umum tentang game, genre, dan target audience. Gameplay. Objective. Explain the mechanism and gameplay system that are at the core of the gaming experience. This slide aims to provide the audience with an in-depth understanding of how players interact with the game, the engine gameplay feature, and how these elements contribute to the overall experience. Element, mekanik permainan, kontrol, dan interaksi pemain. Next, storyline. Objective. Present the storyline and narrative content of the game being development. This slide aims to provide the audience with an understanding of the story background, character, and conflict that shape the game experience, as well as how the narrative can influence gameplay. Element, ringkasan plot, latar, karakter utama, dan konflik. Next, character. Explain the visual and audio elements that will be used in the game to create atmosphere and a deep experience. This slide aims to provide the audience with an understanding of how visual and audio design contributes to the overall aesthetic and gameplay experience. Elements, detail karakter utama dan pendukung, desain visual, dan kemampuan karakter. Game system and mechanism. Explain the system and mechanism of the game that form the core of the gameplay experience. This slide aims to provide the audience with an in-depth understanding of how players interact with the game and features that make the gameplay engine. Element, mekanik inti dalam game, dan contoh sistem poin, inventaris, dan lain-lain. Visual and artistic aspect. Describe the visual and artistic element that will be implemented in the game to create an unique and immersive atmosphere. This slide aims to provide the audience with an understanding of how the visual design contributes to the overall gaming experience. Element, artist style yang digunakan, dan desain UI atau UX. Visual asset. Explain the various visual assets in the game development, including character, environment, objective, and UI element. This slide aims to provide the audience with a clear understanding of the visual component that will be used to create an immersive and engaging gameplay experience. Element, grafik, animasi, dan model 3D. Technology and platform. Present information regarding the technology and platform that will be used in the game development. This slide aims to provide the audience with an understanding of the technical infrastructure that support the games, as well as the reason for selection specific platform to ensure optimal performance and accessibility. Element, game engine yang digunakan, dan platform target atau PC, konsol, dan mobile. Audio. Explain the role of audio in the game. Include music, sound effect, and dialogue. This slide aims to provide the audience with an understanding of how audience element contributes to creating atmosphere, supporting the narrative, and enhance the overall gameplay experience. Elements: desain suara dan musik, efek suara, dan voice acting. Roadmap and timeline. Presenting the overall game development plan from the initial stage to the launch. This slide aims to provide the audience with an understanding of the game development phase, the schedule of key milestones, and when the final project is expected to be complete. Element, tahap pengembangan, dan milestone. And the last one is conclusion. Game design document is a crucial foundation in the game development process. GDD provide a detailed guide that covers all aspects of game design, from the initial concept to gameplay mechanism, visual, audio, and technical specification. With the GDD in place, the entire development team has a consistent understanding of the game's vision and object, ensuring that all elements worked on by various development remain aligned. Thank you for your attention.